Are you going to school na po? Come here. Are you going to school na po? Ha? Come nga here. Get mo yung newspaper mo. Park ka, park. Where's your license? Come to dada. Come. That's your? What's that? License. Are you going to school na po? Ha? What's the name of your teacher? Teacher Portia? Teacher Portia. Who's your classmate? Teacher Portia rin classmate mo? Hindi ba si ate?
Classmate ko si ate.
Oh, okay. What are you going to do in school? What you're going to do in school? Huh? What? Gas? Oh, where's your broom broom? Get mo muna yung broom broom mo. Then you can put your gas. There's your broom broom mo. Oh, don't pick it up. That's dirty. Sige na, get mo yung broom broom mo. Then, pagas ka. Nye, wag mong put it down, then drive. There. Oh. Nye. I thought you're going to drive and put at gas.
No.
Huh?
Yun.
Sira?
Mahal.
Huh?
Mahal.
Expensive. Where are you going to school? What's the name of your school?
Teacher.
School.
Teacher school.
No, Opti.
Moose.
Again, what's the name of your school?
Moose.
Optimus. Okay. Where's mommy? Where's mommy po? No, that's the house pa, the beep beep. Wawa naman sila pagka dinestroy mo yung house nila. Where's mommy?
Gusto mo yan.
No. Oh, where's mommy muna? Where's mommy? Where's mommy? What's mommy doing in the office? Play. Yeah. Oh, flying kiss ka na kay mommy. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Love you. Flying kiss.